MLI, we have a mission. That mission is to rescue, rehabilitate, and release. But there's a secret fourth part to that mission, and that's research. That's why we built this window to the Pacific right here. We also have this dangly thing in the corner. This is our hydrophone. It works a lot like my microphone, except it works underwater and lets us communicate with our undersea friends, including today's special guest. What's his name, folks? That's right, Crush the Sea Turtle. He's gonna swim on by and ask us a few things, but you guys can ask him questions too. You can ask him anything, like, Crush, what do you like to eat? What's your favorite color? How many refs does it take to catch cheating at the World Cup? Everything is totally up for grabs. Birdie has a question ready for Crush, guys. Go and raise your hands for me real quick. Got a lot of kids, got one adult. Adults, don't be shy. Crush likes talking to everybody, not just the kids. And guys, if you look in the back for me real quick, you see Christina in the back. Everyone wave hi.
Hi.
Yeah, she's there to help you out in case you need anything and to show you to your 3 exit doors over there to your left in case you need to leave early for any reason whatsoever. Otherwise, I need you to stay in your seats or completely in the tide pools throughout the conversation with Crush because it's gonna get dark in here. I'm gonna be running all up and down. I do not want to step on you. I'm gonna get us started here, guys. Get my friends the Moonfish on out here. Moonfish! Remind everyone there's no eating in here. To seal away the drinks, refrain from smoking, go ahead and take lots of pictures and video, but please turn off the flash. And with the flash, give it up for the Moonfish! Alright, y'all. Crush is surfing some tasty waves over on the EAC right now, but he said whenever we're ready for him, just to shout out, hey Crush, really big. So, on the count of 3, really big, and make sure you use the correct exit doors on the other side. There we go. On the count of 3, really big. 1, 2, 3!
Hey, Crush!
Dude! Righteous, yeah! Dude! Oh, dude, scout out the double spinner intro by the turtle! Dude, check out all the humans in the people tank! Hello, human dudes!
Hey, Crush!
They live, sweet. No way, Kyle, did that you?
Yeah, dude.
Hey, Kyle, I think they'll make contact with these human dudes?
Totally.
Sweet. Okay, hey, stay in the seats over here, first row, first noggin. Little mini dude sitting in the lap of the Papa Bear.
Yeah.
Hi, mini dude. What's your name?
Say Chase.
That's adorable, dude. Nice to meet you, Chase, dude. Hey, I'm totally gonna give you a turtle nickname. I'm gonna call you Chillin' Chase. So, Chillin' Chase, you wanna learn how to talk like a turtle?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that was really close. All right, repeat after me. Say, totally. Super adorable. All right, dude, now say, sweet. I'm talking to a mini girl. All right, Chase, dude, we're gonna mash them together and say, totally sweet. Yeah, dude, that was totally sweet! You may just put your flippers together for Chillin' Chase! Yeah, you totally rock those words. You're like bilingual. So, Chase, dude, who'd you come here with? Who did you bring with you? Oh, sweet. Is that your uncle that you're sitting on?
Yes.
Oh, okay, let's make contact. Hey, Uncle, dude, what's your name?
Dean.
Oh, nice to meet you, Uncle Dean, dude. Chaw. Dude, how many little ones you looking after today?
4.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, I mean, I look after 65 of my own. Dude, you should try that.
I got 5. I'm good.
No, it's all right. It will change you. Hey, but do your like nieces and nephews ever ask you any questions?
Tons.
Yeah, but you being the awesome uncle, I bet you got like all the answers, right?
No.
No. What do you do if you don't have the answers, dude?
Send them to their aunts.
Deflection! The audience really liked that, alright. It was cool talking with you, dude. Hey, but check it out, human dudes. I'm totally a turtle on a mission. Oh, you see my youngest son, Squirt? He's totally fascinated with you human dudes. But sadly, I totally don't have those answers. If you could help me out with that, say chaw. You so totally rock! No way, some of you know the lingo, sweet. Okay, but for the rest of you dudes, just follow their lead, okay? So whenever a sea turtle says, you so totally rock, proper response is gonna be dude. Really loud. Let's try it again, human dudes. You so totally rock! Now we're all talking turtle. So, human dudes, Squirt wants to know if any of you know how to swim. So if you can totally swim, totally raise your fin, dude. Want to see all my Mondo human shredders? Alright. Okay, hey, let's just go over here. Let's make it easy. Third row, first noggin. Do that with the polka dotty shell.
Janet.
I do that. What's your name?
Janet?
Nice to meet you, Janet, dude. You should have seen your face when you realized it was you. So you're all like... So, Jam and Janet, when you go like swimming, do you like to go fast or just nice and easy?
Nice and easy.
Yeah, dude, I can see you now, flipping on your shell, closing your lids, being like, dude, I'm Janet. I really wish the turtle didn't pick on me. Oh, but dude, I totally love to rip it, roll it, and punch it. In fact, Janet, if you want to see how fast I can swim, say chaw.
Chaw.
You so totally rock!
Yay!
Alright, check me out, human dudes. I'm gonna grab a wave and break a turtle's big record. This one's for you, Janet! I'm ripping it! I'm rolling it! Forgot about the glass.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Oh, thanks, dude. A little late, dude. You dude saw him too, right? I didn't think my weekend into the noggin. Hey, but I've been doing all the talking. Do any of you human dudes have a question for me? Totally raise your fin. Alright, let's go to this tide pool. We're gonna talk to the dudette in the top corner. She's got a no sleevey kind of light shell.
Janet.
Hey, dudette, what's your name?
Vida.
Was that Vida?
Vida. I did.
Oh, so it is Vida. Sweet. Oh, well, like vivacious Vida, dude. What's your question? I'm gonna say true. I don't know to what. What's your question, dude?
I live in the beach.
Oh, you live in the beach, dude. That's awesome. We're like neighbors. Do you like to go swimming in the ocean?
Yes.
Yeah, dude, me too. Just make sure you always have a swimming buddy, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, because I know a little dude named Nemo, he totally did not have a swimming buddy. Dude got lost for like an hour and 47 minutes. Yeah, but it turns out, he was just in the dentist's office. Hey, but it was cool talking with you, dude. You so totally rock! Hey, Jelly Dude, what's going on?
Hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Oh, dude, you totally want to get into a turtle pile. Human Dude shouted out, turtle pile!
Stop! Too much!
All right, dudes, he's up. Time to grab away on the AC.
Thanks a lot, Crush.
For what, Jelly Man?
The turtle pile?
Human Dudes, one more time. Turtle pile! He's so good with my kids. Hey, has anyone else got a question for me, dude? Totally raise your fin. All right, hey, there's a dude like way in the back over here. Last row, first noggin. I'm gonna have to make you swim a little bit, dude.
Janet.
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Melody.
Hey, nice to meet you, Malibu Melody. What's your question, dude?
What's your favorite color?
Oh, dude, Mel, I'm totally gonna have you guess, but I'm gonna give you a super secret hint. Your hint is that I am a green sea turtle. So what do you think it is, dude?
Green.
Oh, no way, dude, it's totally fuchsia.
Hey, kid, don't listen to him. It's green.
Called out by the Hank, dude. Yeah, it totally is green. What about you? What's your favorite color?
Green.
Dude, that's awesome. We're like color twins. Actually, you might be able to help me out with something. I found this human thing the other day. I'm not so sure what it is. Melody, dude, you know what this thing is?
Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, it's Buzz Lightyear. Sweet. Yeah, I've been calling him Echo in Mexico. That's what it says on his booty. Oh, what does this dude do?
He can fly.
This dude can fly?
Billy.
That was awesome! Yeah, he was totally floating with style. You know, I dropped him on the floor the other day and he was freaking out. He was going like... I have no idea what that means though. Hey, but thanks for the info, Melody, dude. You so totally rock! Alright, human dudes, flippers off. Who else got a question for the crush dude? Alright, hey, we're going to the seats over here. We're gonna go first row, but second noggin. Mini dude with the short sleevey gray shirt. Hey, mini man, what's your name?
Miguel.
Hey, nice to meet you, Mondo Miguel. What's your question?
Miguel.
Ah. I'm gonna say true. Is your name Miguel?
Miguel.
Okay, sorry. Is your name Miguel?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet, dude. Sure. Hey, how old are you, dude?
What?
Yeah, dude, that's how old I was when I was your age. Sweet. Hey, what kind of games do you play, Miguel?
What?
Oh. What's Roblox?
Game?
Yes, we have established that. But how do you play Roblox?
My iPad?
An iPad. What? Is this like a video game?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and those require electricity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we tried that here once, dude. The results were shocking. Yeah, no video games for us. We like to stick to the simpler games, you know, like the polos. There's the water polo, the Marco Polo, the Ralph Lauren Polo. In fact, let's play Marco Polo with Dory the other day.
It's
Dude, you human dudes are right. It totally is Bailey. Hey, let's go ahead and call him over. Everyone do that sound he makes. Let's go.
Crush! Hey!
Hey, Bailey, dude, what's going on?
Oh my goodness, funny looking humans, huh?
Dude, Danny, the hydrophone is on. They can like totally hear you, dude.
No, they can't.
Yes, we
Watch
can.
this. Hi, humans!
You see, dude?
Oh, okay. Why didn't you tell me?
I tried to do, but you're all like,
Wait. I'm getting something.
What is it, dude?
Wow! Every human in the seats has a shiny rectangle that lights up. That's weird.
Oh, they're probably playing Roblox, dude. Oh, later, Bailey. Human dudes, that was my buddy Bailey. He's got this sweet thing called echolocation. It's like the world's strongest pair of... Oh, hey, Squirty. Jelly Man already?
Dad, come on. Time to ride the AC, dude.
Rectamundo, Squirt. Well, human dudes, Familia calls. I totally got a jet. Before I go, let me leave you with this bit of turtle wisdom. Human dudes, always remember. Or else you'll forget. All right, I'm out of here. And remember, you so totally rock.
Dude! Hi, Crush! How about a big hand for Crush, everybody? All right, Alright, dudes and dudettes, your exit doors have opened on your left. Make sure to grab all your personal belongings and your exit buddies as you escape on out of here.